Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
You're on your own from here on out, pal. I'm not allowed any closer.
Today about a 10-year-old girl with Down syndrome who was taken from her mother and put in a cage.
Wah,
I read
wah.
about did you say want want?
Hate me.
Does he know the method? No way he knows the method. No way he...
I've been meaning to tell you this. One of you was adopted.
Is it Brandon?
We shall never know which one was adopted.
When I met you in the summer.
Alright boys, what we got next?
Yo, man, we got the Thomas Jefferson 76s.
Nobody's master, got it? I don't want you here and I don't want you here.
Who could that be? Bagel delivery. What? I didn't order.
Ranking U.S. presidents based on how likely they are to survive a car ride through downtown Dallas. Coming in at number 46.
I am black. I am gay. I am disabled. I am a woman.
No. Man, I love frogs.
Well, I see. What a magnificent pair of bananas.
Oh, great heavens! Again! Faster! Let's go faster! Woo! Now super fast! Super mega fast!
Thank you! Titan has freed us!
Oh, I wouldn't say free. More like under new management.
Bro, who the fuck just said I'm Walter Black?
Slow down. Guys, my roommate's at my door. He says I have my oil, and everyone in chat wants me to oil up.
Buffy, please don't oil up when you have God knows how many people.
He has my oil. I'm not gonna let the oil man in. I don't trust him.
The oil man.
The oil man is at my door, bro.
The oil man is here and he wants you to oil up.
I know, it's
I'll be popping bottles. The sparkles in Japan. VIP my section, royalty looking sexy, you know that.